If you can take a solid breath in and a relaxing breath out, and it's logical to close your eyes and find physical comfort now. And I'm curious if you can become aware of the efficient support of the chair. Your hands orderly placed on your lap, feet on the floor well planted. Into this experience. And I wonder if you can notice the regulated temperature of your body. The liquids inside you. The hydration of your organs and the blood cells that are methodically loving life and loving you. And you can liquefy yourself into relaxation. Shoulders relax, arms, legs, body relaxing. In a logical kind of way. And you can notice the lightness of your breath, your chest rising, falling, expanding, relaxing. And just like the refraction of light, where it enters a medium and the speed is different, you can adjust the relaxation to absorb through you. Your breath, organs, skin, perfect. And I really don't know the last time you got to leave life's baloney out there. To be here, and here you are, generating your own electricity somehow. In some order. I'm not sure you're aware how special you are. The lightness of your breath through the lightness of the light. The light that bounces the light. The light that absorbs the light. Out there in the cosmos somewhere, you can find the silica that's in computer chips. The silica that's in you, the silica that's hanging around planets like Saturn. That's how special you are. And you probably already know. The sixth planet from the Sun is Saturn. Saturday was named after this planet by the Romans in the 2nd century. And while in Scandinavian countries, Saturday equates to bath day, as Vikings would practice bathing on Saturday. Where Saturn is named after the Roman god of wealth and agriculture. But most of us would describe Saturn as Lord of the Rings. While some might say you are remnants of the sun, 1 trillion million miles away, that once exploded and its star stuff floated, and its spores and seeds across high winds and galaxies, and some of it cooled down here on Earth, maybe giving you your twinkle in your eye. While Saturn decided to stop way over there, and its icy rings decided to pause just there. And Dr. Andrew Jacob, a man who has passion for the cosmos, the Sydney Observatory curator of astronomy, wrote in 2020, the one thing that keeps him feeling positive is knowing that the sky simply carries on with its own steady cycles, presenting us from time to time with its heart-warming spectacles that distract us for a little while. And Saturn is about 1.4 billion kilometers from Earth, made up of oxygen and silicon compounds, and its metallic hydrogen gives it its magnetic field that if you ever have the opportunity to visit the Sydney Observatory next to the Harbour Bridge, and you're lucky enough to look at Saturn through one of their telescopes, it's almost like you can't believe it. You can't quite believe your eyes. It's almost like a cartoon, as though someone stuck a sticker of Saturn on the other side of the telescope. It's just so perfect. And occasionally, when the planets align, like in 1977, 2 Voyager aircraft were able to use a gravity assist technique to fling from one gassy planet on to another, a cosmic crack of the whip. And the last time Saturn and Jupiter were so close to each other, about 1/5 of the distance of the moon's surface apart, was in December 2020, and while astronomers call it their right ascension, the last time they were this close was before the telescope was invented. And as Bill Bryson would write, there may not be a great deal of life in the universe at large, but there is no shortage of ordered self-assembly in everything, from the transfixing symmetry of a snowflake to the comely rings of Saturn. When you're ready to self-assemble yourself back to your Saturday, you can do it in the right order for you. Meticulously stretch out a few deep, light breaths and open your eyes. Welcome back. You're perfect just as you are.